Hello everyone and welcome to WordPress Learn Hub, where we teach you how to create responsive and easy to customize website. And today we will be teaching you how to create a responsive corporate website. And here is the demo view of the website we'll be creating. Yes, using the Bossa theme again. Yes, you see how sleek and neat and easy So let's begin. We need to go to HostGinger to get ourselves a hosting and a domain name. So here in HostGinger, enter the URL webhosting45.com. Go to HostGinger, courtesy of Fedi. So there we have it. We're going to click on claim deal right there. I'm going to look through all the plans available. Yes, and this is the plan we'll be going for with the 200 gigabyte storage. And we're going to be selecting choose plan. So this is going to take us to this checkout order. So try and fill in your details. If you have a coupon code, you can always use the Fedi coupon code and apply. That is what I use. And you can also apply for the affiliate marketing, by the way. Yes, they have an affiliate program. HostGinger have an affiliate marketing program. So we're gonna, it costs a total of $65. So company name, go ahead and type in your company name and make sure every single payment detail. Select your payment platform, your preferable payment process. You can, I think we have quite a number of it. You can use your card. So enter your email. This is where the information regarding your purchase will be sent. So using credit card. So come down and fill in your name on the card, which I will be blocking this. Make sure you fill everything perfectly well and click on submit secure payment. This is gonna go through some process, payment processing. So now it's redirecting us to the control panel. There it is. What is this website for? Definitely myself or my business will be selected. Then you can create or migrate. We're going to be creating a website, but we will not be migrating any website for now. So we'll be selecting the website builder, the HostGinger website builder. Then go ahead and what domain name do you want to use? If you have a domain name already with HostGinger, you can always go ahead and select it. But if you don't, that means you need to purchase a domain name, and there it is how to purchase a domain name. So complete registration of the domain name. We're going to select organization and company. Fill in the details. Easy. Go ahead and fill in these details correctly then. Okay, then click on finish registration. And once you're done with the registration, okay, where the web services is. So I think ours is registered on Arizona. Okay, there we have it. So now we need to install WordPress. This is where the environment where we have to install the WordPress. Click on websites. Then at the left hand side, so your website, it indicates that the website is running fine. So there is your URL. You click on that URL to take you, so you can have a view that your domain name is working. So at the left hand side, click on security to check if our SSL, very very important, is working. Then you go to the left hand side and click on WordPress website. WordPress. Then we click on install. The website title, as usual, very important. Then type in the administrative email where the installation alert will be sent to you. Proceed next. This will be updated on PHP 8.1. So once we've done that, there we have it at the HTTPS. So let's go to our admin panel, our WordPress admin panel. This is going to take us directly to the WordPress admin panel, and here we are. So we're going to click on that is on the WordPress website. So here is the dashboard once again. Welcome to WordPress, and this is the dummy page. So we'll go back to the dashboard. So now we're going to be doing some cleanup. We'll be doing some cleanup processing, but first let's set the permalink. As usual, always very important, set the permalink to post name. Reason being, you don't want to have some numbers or some strange numbers after every of your page in your URL. So now we go to appearance, theme. We need to install the theme. So add theme. Once you click on add theme, so here in my notepad, we'll be copy this content, paste it. That is the theme name, Bossa Corporate Dark. There it is, the beautiful theme that we will be installing. We're going to click on install. Okay, so we're going to activate to take within this is going to take just seconds. Okay, there we have it. The theme has been installed and activated, but remember we need some plugins to utilize with this theme. But before that, let's clean up some themes that we do not need. We will be deleting all unused themes within the WordPress environment, and there it is. Click on delete. Okay, and there we have it. So clicking to get rated, install and activate, which we've done, but there are some add-ons we need to click on generate. This is processing. Okay, now we've run through the process, but before we do anything, we need to install all necessary plugins. Before we even import the demo, we need to install the necessary plugins. So in my notepad, I made a list of the necessary plugins we'll be installing, which are already installed, as you can see. So they are all installed. So we're going to click on demo import. Demo import, click on import right there. Yes, import demo. So that is the main purpose of the advanced importer plugin. This is what gives us the feature to be able to import the demo. Without that plugin, you won't be able to import it. There it is. So click on visit my site so we can have a look for how the site is. Okay, any moment from now we should be having the end result. Okay, there it is. The Bossa Corporate template has been installed. Very neat, easy to customize. All you just need to do is replace each and every content here with your company, organization, be it any company at all. So scroll down. There it is. Just follow my guidance on how to get this edited. So any moment from now, I won't be speaking, so kindly follow slowly on how to edit each of this page. So home page, edit with Elementor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And do have an amazing day. See you next time. Bye.